Hi Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August 26 to the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with the rest of the reading. Get what's only yours. Ayan. So, Aries, I think that we are actually looking here for some peace, or probably we would love to win in many shapes or form. No, parang sa atin, magkaroon lang ako ng kapayapaan ng puso, kapayapaan ng isip. I'm gonna be good with that. Pero, bakit parang ang daming tanong kasi dito? Maraming sabihin natin na lahat ba ng sinasabi ni person ko is totoo? Lahat ba yun ay mapagkakatiwalaan ko? Lahat ba ng ipinapakita niya, no? Let's say, well, probably a few numbers of you are actually having doubts, you know? But siguro yung majority ng percentage is probably either want a confirmation if what their person is showing, is genuine. So the Three of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. We cannot say that you're not happy because from what I am seeing in here, medyo nabibigyan naman tayo ng attention, affection, no? Sometimes it's probably also more than what we are expecting. Sometimes medyo kulang, sometimes siguro sabihin natin na these attentions are divided. But somewhat, ito nga yung sinasabi natin, what I am getting in here is something that I can trust, it's okay, to have that kind of questions in your head, diba? Wala naman pong masama kung tayo'y medyo nagtatanong-tanong, no? Lalo na, syempre, we are guarding ourselves. With the Queen of Swords and the Four of Wands. So, one of the question in here is one of your questions. So, medyo madami. Probably, ang isa dito is, kailan ba maayos yung issue? Kailan ba, for those who are probably may mga crushes or in a sabihin natin situation na yung situationship, no? Kailan ba mapupunta ito sa isang relationship? Pero kung nandun naman kayo sa relationship, so parang when are we going to put this into another level? Cohabitation, proposal, marriage. Doon sa mga may marriage, yun nga, ayusin itong issues regarding sa aming pagsasama. No? For a few numbers of you, medyo naiinis tayo kasi meron tayong gustong ma-experience na parang hindi pa ibinibigay, ni person. Kumbaga, meron ditong hinihingan tayo ng effort, hinihingan tayo ng konting actions from ourselves. So parang sabi naman natin, may kulang ba sa mga nagawa ko? With the Hermit and the King of Wands, I think that this is more of a confirmation, or ano ba itong relasyon na to? Ano ba itong nangyayari, no, sa atin. Ano ba itong sabihin natin na I want you to have a realization coming from Aries, no, na sana sabihin mo. Um, Either ipagtapat mo, no, ipagtapat mo sa kanila kung anong meron tayo, ipagtapat mo sa akin kung anong nararamdaman mo. I just want some clarity, no? Ano na ba tayo doon sa ah, mga mag-asawa na, no? Or in cohabitation. So, ano na ba itong relasyon natin, no? Saan ito patungo, no? Uh, Hindi sa nagrereklamo ako, no? Pero medyo matagal na itong journey natin. So, I just want a direction, no, sa ating relationship. With the Three of Swords, the awakening. So I feel like saan tayo nasasaktan? Let's clarify the Three of Swords. I'm gonna use a different deck here for the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Wands and the Hermit card. So this is more of the clarification, no? Or medyo pabilisin itong takbo ng relationship. Probably nababagalan tayo, no? Probably nasasaktan tayo kasi stagnant itong relationship natin. So, parang sabi natin dito, medyo naman, no? Medyo madaliin natin ng konti. Medyo iurong natin ng konti, no? Parang we become so complacent in a situation na parang nawawalan din ng excitement, no? Aries with the Ten of Wands and the Six of Cups. So, ang gusto mo medyo padaliin kasi what you are experiencing right now is kind of like a burden, di ba? Parang I'm no longer inspired or bring back the inspiration in me, di ba? Kasi with the Six of Cups, parang hindi ka masyadong namimiss mo yung mga dati, no? Yung mga dati yung ginagawa. For a few numbers of you, baka nga may separations kayo, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, let's say the person might be in a different city, state, no? County, country, different continent. Sabihin natin dito with the Six of Cups, energetic din. Namimiss niyo yung mga usapan ninyo, nung dating medyo okay pa itong medyo madami pang time. Something in this relationship changed, which I feel like you don't like, no? With the Moon card, so yun nga yung mga questions mo, and the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. So, your first and your last card is actually the Omega, no? The Alpha and the Omega. It started real good. Kumbaga, ito lang yung sa'yo, no? You wanted to bring back the same feeling, no? It may not be the same experience kasi you cannot bring back the time, but same feeling man lang, no? Nung ang galing-galing mo kasi nag-start tayo. So parang nawala din itong efforts, no? Coming from you. Bakit palaging ako? No? Ganun yung mga questions. So, let's see the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. I need some more time before I can come to you, and I can't not right now. So, meron talagang, kumbaga, sabihin natin, yung direction ng relationship ninyo is not on the same pace, no? May nagmamadali. Well, siguro sa isip ng isa, nagmamadali ka naman. Yung isa naman, hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Yun talaga yung dapat, no, na pace. Nababagala naman yung sa kabila. So, I feel like a little bit of understanding, really communication is key in this relationship. But let's see, no, the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Did I just said Taurus? No, Taurus is also here. So that is your reading, no, Aries. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel, catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong sumali, no, you're very much welcome. Kung di nyo po maabutan, that's okay. You can drop your question, no, dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. If you want po, no, kilala nyo naman yung sarili ninyo, Aries, no, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa description box. Sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. So, click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, the name, the number, QR codes for your reference, and pakicheck na lang din po. Hindi kasi siya kasya sa screen, no? Ang bubungad kasi sa inyo yung question form. So, sa baba po nun, nandun po yung mga QR codes, and the QR codes are labeled, no? Then, how much per question, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so you can take advantage of it. So you discounted na yung 4 questions and then may libre pang isa. If you want to book a private reading, pakicheck na lang din po yung QR codes. Naka-label naman siya as I mentioned. And kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo pong sumali, no, sa ating raffle ng free reading, what you need to do is to reports those fake accounts na nandun po sa description box, and then take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email, dun po ako bubunot, no, ng winner. Ayan, so kung hinahanap nyo po itong mga readings about exes, Aries, nandun po siya sa Facebook, no? So dun din po sa website, makikita nyo yung mga icons nung ng mga social media accounts. I-click nyo lang yon, i-route na po kayo. No, kunyari Facebook, nakita nyo yung logo ng Facebook, click nyo yon, and then i-route na kayo sa Facebook directly. Doon po sa page. Ayan. So this is your reading, Aries. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.